Hey there, welcome to Inkasso software. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to register a new case of cash collection with the merchant interface. First you have to log into the system, go to the login page and enter your email address and your password you have registered with Inkasso. When you're ready, just click login. And okay, here we go. This is the register new case page in Inkasso merchant interface. To register a new case, you have to complete 4 easy steps. First of them is to provide all the information you know about the debtor in this case. And you have to start with his email. For example, our debtor has the email debtor56@domain.com. And as you can see, the system now is performing a search in the database for any previous record of this email. If it finds any, it will autofill all the profile with the data connected with this email. In this case, the debtor is unknown for the system. He is for the first time a debtor here. So let's fill in the profile of the new debtor. We can choose, is it a person or a company? As you can see, there are different fields in the profile. Let's do it for a person, Mr. Johnny Cash from Germany, Dortmund. I don't know the zip code, for example, like this. Street and the number and optional field if he has a mailbox or not. The telephone of the debtor if we have it, and mobile. Absolutely. Example numbers for the tutorial. If there is a lot of phones we know, we can add more fields of phone, and that's it. This is the profile of the new debtor. We're ready to proceed further and hit the button next step. As you can see, we can go back at any time and edit the data. By completing this profile, we're creating an account for the debtor with the system, and he can be notified he is registered, and he can also log into the system and check the status of the debt case. The second step of registering the case is to provide the data about the case. If you're a registered merchant with ShopCert, your domain name and shop name will appear here automatically, but this is completely blank account, so I'll do it manually. For example, I'll use domain X and shop name Happy Shoes. I have to fill the number of the invoice of the debt. Right. For example, this one. You have to pick up the date of the invoice when the debt occurred. For example, this date and the amount of the debt. Example, 230 euro for goods. Okay, and here is an additional field, a button at reminder. This is to use when the debtor has more older debt, and this is to remind him. We can add more, and we can do it later because this is a fresh new debt and it's not necessary to do it now. Proceed further, step 3. This is the page to upload documents about the particular case, if there is any invoice or cash receipt or something else. If we don't have any, we can skip the step and go to the final step. If we want to upload cash receipt, for example, we can do it from the button Browse. We can browse our computer to find the file, and for example this is the file, and the name of the document is automatically filled here, and we can rename it if we want. And we can add a note about the document. If we want to upload another document, we can add more fields here and upload them. So let's add a note here. And we're ready with this step. The final step is just to confirm the registration of the debt. We can go previous to all the steps if we want to be sure everything is alright, and when we're ready just click the button register new case, and okay, here we go. This is our new case of debt. We can preview and edit later from this page case list. That was tutorial how to register a new case. Thanks for watching and happy using. Bye.